Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to my video once again. So today in this video, I would love to share with you what I normally do for improving my English speaking skills. So my dear brother sister, so you know very well one day it was my dream to speak English, and actually it was my dream I will speak English spontaneously one day. But Alhamdulillah for everything. Now I can speak spontaneously without any patience, without any nervousness, without any fear. Alhamdulillah for this achievement. You can say, brother, it is not a big achievement. Yeah, brother, it's not big achievement. For my side, I think it is my actually big achievement for me because I was from village. Actually, I didn't get any support. I didn't get any financial support or any support. So, by the way, my topic was actually what I normally do. Actually, I started my morning by reading book. It's truly important, and I prefer actually motivational books or self-development books. And every day I read minimum 10 pages. Sometimes I read 20 or 15 pages. So it's up to you. So if you have time, you can read lots of pages. It doesn't matter. Just you have to read and try to read loudly, and then you can write for 1 hour or for 30 minutes. It's up to you. So I try to read. I try to write actually 3 pages about my life and what will be my plan after 3 months or after 1 year. So you can try these things. It will help you to become a great personality, to become a great person. So I try to follow this kind of activities. It's truly important, my dear brother sister. And then what I do, and then I try to speak English in front of camera, in front of a mirror, in front of the mirror, in front of the camera. So like this way, I try to improve myself, my dear brother sister. If you like my activities, please let me know. And actually nowadays I listen lots of lecture like Dr. Miles Muller lecture is so amazing. I really love it. I really love this kind of theoretical lecture. So my dear brother sister, and I normally do this kind of activities, this kind of things. And right now I'm making video on of the top, and like this way you can practice your English, you can improve your English speaking skill. Don't give any excuse, just focus on yourself. I believe you can do everything, just believe in yourself.